Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Hello Baby Official. Guys, today it's a special day to me, and I thank God for this far. Simply because my project is proceed good, guys, 100%. So it's early morning over here, and it's depend which time did you watch my videos. Kindly give a like, comment, and also, guys, share. So today I'm just around at my home here. So the reason why I came on this forest, it's because it's have some fresh air, fresh beautiful sceneries, and imagine you inhale fresh air, So today's, guys, these videos are very, very special, and I'm heading to somewhere else to purchase something, guys, for my project. So technically I'm starting here and I'm going home, guys. So today's videos not for surprising my mama, guys, because today's videos it's all about my project. So me, I'm always praying every day God shall open it. And inside here was a lot of cold, a lot of wind, guys. So I'm feel like, it's cold. So that's the reason why I'm moving from there. Wow, guys. So for those who are welcome on these videos for the first time, kindly subscribe. Load to 5K subscriber, and thumbs up. Love is for free, man. And over here we have some Irish potatoes, guys. Sweet potatoes over here that you see over here. These some sweet potatoes, this one here, and it were being dig out from this shamba here, from this land here. So the reason why I been, so let me sit here and at least I give you some story for the Irish potatoes. In our village here, guys, these are pure sweet potatoes. When you cook, it's yellow in color, but in other way we have sweet potatoes which are white in color. When we cook, it's pure white. So this one, our farmer here dig from the land over here, and then they washed them and took to the capital city of Kenya, which is Nairobi. So this one they took to the, maybe those cities doesn't plant sweet potatoes, and at the same time they make biscuits. People from industry, they came and purchased maybe even 10 lorries which have been transported some Irish potatoes and then make biscuits. So this one, it has so many maybe things to do. Biscuits you can maybe cook and then you eat. So that is it. So let's go, guys, to my project. So I'm heading this way, and I see my mama harvesting some maize, guys. So let's go. Oh, guys, this is what I'm calling home, where I'm born and raised. So I'm passing right now home. I'm going to my project. Wow. Hey. So maybe if you want to pay a visitor, watch my videos until the end, and then it's just like a Google map on these videos. Well, guys, so I'm heading this way to check my projects. I think today is on Monday. This week, maybe some days of this week, we shall resume on this project, guys. Wow. So in case you're new here, this is my project, guys, which I was running with it. This one here, and I have already have some steel bar I have cement, I have sand. So I'm working on balance stones. When I'm saying balance stones, technically is this one here. So when you mix with sand, cement, and then with these balance stones, we get a concrete slab. And then after putting some steel bar on this part here, or on this cupboard, so you want to smear it, and then it became concrete. So today's videos, it's all about derivative material. So my project, guys. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think about my project? So let me sit even here. Oh, guys. So I'm launching maybe my toilets first. So I wanna say, if you want to promote my project, guys, in other way, you just promote. If you want to support, you can support, and that's the best way I can move maybe to the next maybe activity, because here it took me the whole 2 months, but I thank God. I do things slowly, and it's going good. So you don't want to harass things, if you want to do something which can last for the long time, just do slowly, and then until of the day you wanna realize that you make a good something. But for example, this toilet here, I dig, and then it stay here like 1 month, and then the next month I capture for the next second month, and then I start building foundation, squeezing sand, everything. It's slowly. So, and guys, you will keep supporting me by watching my videos. Don't skip ads. That is very important to me. So, and it's the best way you can support Hello Babe Official, by watching ads and my full length of the videos, guys. So let's move. Oh, I'm rushing somewhere else, so it's far from here, but I need to take my motorbike. Woo. Monkey bro, wherever you are, may God bless you. Even nowadays, when I want to travel or I want to do something around my village here, man, I have already my motorbike. The only thing I put is the gas and ready to go. For example, like now I'm going to Jabuhans, and then to look that guy for the tramp or lorry or tipper in the other way. So I'm using my motorbike from here to save the time, so to go and look that guy, so they can maybe drop for me some material of my project here. Well, guys, and I thank God, guys, because when God say yes, nobody can say no. That's the word that stick on my mind. When God say yes, nobody can say no. So let's go, guys. Wow. And I'm heading this way. Wow, guys. And here we have some beautiful shade. You can see these avocado trees, and it have already shedding some flowers, guys. Means this is some flowers. Means maybe like 3 months it will mature some avocados, guys. Wow. So let's go this way. Hey. And to check whether to look the place where they wanna come and pour some material, guys. We have some water here. Oh, guys. Hey. What's up? Alright, guys. So here, over here, we have some stones here. So this one, because my mason, they want to expand maybe some washroom, they want to use this one. So I'm looking the place where, when the tipper came, placed some balance stones like this one over here. So even we have grade 1 which have been crushed by machine, but it's so expensive. It goes to 20,000 tipper or tramp, you know. But for this, it's around 14,000 Kenyan money. So almost 120 USD money, if I'm not wrong. This is 120. So this is my sand over here, and I think when the road come that way, it come at this angle, come with the reverse, and then I think they wanna pour here, over here. Yeah, they come with the reverse and then come and then pour here. So yeah guys, so let's move. At the same time, I have here my blocks over here. You can see these some blocks, guys, over here. Yep guys, and I think this one oh sorry guys, so because I feel tired, I think this one, in terms of building, it's okay. So I want to rush and then to remove these blocks over here, because a lot of rain misleading them. Let's go. Well guys, you can see how my home looks like. Green! What's up? Green everywhere. Green, hey. Oh guys, so see, my mom is harvesting some maize corn over here. You know, I'm not wrong, when I come from this corner here. Hey. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, they're harvesting some maize corn over here, guys. Well, it's all morning over here, and oh, things change, guys, you know. So this is the maize corn that have been my mother harvesting from a small garden, guys. Hey, you see, guys? Wow. So guys, I wanna take my motorbike, so let me wipe here, and it's time to go. So guys, here I go, and I'm going to see the guy for the road, guys. Wow guys, so I'm drive carefully here at my village near Bohansi village, guys, to the work. So this is my neighbor's trees here, and everywhere there's some forest. Look at this. So guys, today's today, and I'm drive, so I'm going there to meet that guy, guys. Wow. Let's go. Wow guys, there's a cow grazing over there. There's another one, that one there. Wow guys. So guys, I hope you wanna enjoy these videos from the first up to the end, guys. You know, kindly hit a like, load to 5K subscriber, guys. I really appreciate, and I wanna say thank you a million for those who are watching my videos, and for those who are not watching my videos, also thank you a million. May God bless you guys. You know, YouTube is a game changer, guys. Wow, here I'm going. Wow. So this is a thorn fence here. We have another one here. Wow. This is where my sister land, guys. So it's mooring over here. Can look. Let's go. Alright, so I'm almost near Bohanse, and guys, try to imagine how so far I drive from home up to the entire my village here in Bohanse, guys. It's over here. Wow. So it's a distance by itself. Alright, so this is your house over here. This one is your house, guys. Over here. Over here. They are being put up huge bombs. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so we just over here. Hey, this cement and really bad. Wow. Yes. This is a wheelbarrow over here, cement, and also, guys, see some construction going on, guys. Here. Oh, guys, we're going to Manchester's place, guys. Wow, look at this. Aha! This is a wheelbarrow over here, and this is bamboo cement. We call Tembo, but it's bamboo company, guys. Alright, guys, so it's time to offload over here. Cement.
Life that God has given us to do this work. It's not easy, guys, but by the grace of God, we are able to do this work. It is really heavy. This is our bag, 50 bags of cement.
Guys, I'm just over here, and I was waiting the tipper, guys, so to pick my material, guys. So let's go. Waitembe twende. Sina naruna kuletea pesa. Yes, guys, I was taking some
fruits here, guys.
Fruits over here.
Yeah, and it's 001. I'm the one from East Africa, Kenya. Nyabo has a village.
Okay.
This is the main point.
Guys, I was waiting this tipper here to pick my material, guys. So this is the tarmac road here. Connect East Africa. No problem. Oh, guys. So we just over here going to pick some material, guys. Hey. Hey. Oh. Hey. Twende now, Migori. Oh, guys. So I'm just here. Guys. I bring one, bro. Why do you?
I give you two.
Look at this, guys.
I give you two.
So we just over here. This is what we're calling the Bohanse, guys. And here is a Bora Bora. Busy sand. Oh, guys. Let me have some mangoes, guys. This is a So I was taking some pineapple. Hey.
Jana.
Yeah. Yes. Kamu unaitwa mikwad? Eh. Niko na bro anaitwa mikwad hivi. So there's these oranges. Eh, man. Anarati anera man tunda kidogo. Oh. Ay tembe kama mali. Oh guys.
Returning.
Not returning. This one is okay. For returning subscribe.
For returning subscriber, guys. This one is returning fruits. Returning orange.
Subscriber. Well guys, so we just over here. So we came to pick some sand here. So we dropped Migo and then we continue our journey to take my stones, guys. Hey! To take my balance stone, guys, for my toilet, guys. So just going at the back here. This is some sugar cane plantation over here. Go at the back here. Oh. Yeah. Need to pick some sand over here. Today the weather is so calm, guys. You can see, and wow, guys. All right. Oh. Oh. I struggle, come on. Oh. Here. Ngati niwapige picha.
Usije jaribu.
Asiwapige picha. So I'm just over here. Oh guys, waiting this sun and then we go to Migori. Well guys, so in my village here, I must walk around and I struggle right and left, man, to show you what I'm doing and maybe it's right. So they harvest sand here during the rain season and then store there. So over here, always. So you look and see. So this is where they store some sand for manually, guys. Wow, these are running water. You can see there. Oh, guys, there's the running water going up that way. So they fetch, they harvest sand during rain season and then store. So like for example, these are stock of the sand over here. This one here. Oh guys, sugar plantation. And then we go up to that way. So that's the road over there. So the driver told me instead going without anything on the lorry, so let's take some sand here. We went and sell it, and when we coming back, we came with your balance stone, guys. So in case you want to support my project, guys, support in another way. Well guys, that's the best way you can support. Well guys, this is Napier sugar cane. Well guys, so they harvest sand here, and then let me wash my hands. I want to wash my guys. Oh. Wow, it's a clean water over here. Look at this. Clean water. Because the flu attacked me and I was coughing, sneezing, all stuff. But I'm okay, guys. When I wake up in the morning and I'm alive, I thank God for this far. So flu is a small disease, but it kind of maybe distract you or disturb you like 1 week. But me, it is what it is. I'm just give you the best content ever, guys. Yeah. Wow, guys. So over here, in my local time, It's 1 p.m. So the villagers over here, this area, harvest sand from here, still there. So like right now, it's a dry season, so sand are very expensive. Wow, guys, over here. Hey. Oh, I'm on these slippers over here, guys. Oh. Hey, my village are being green everywhere, guys, and we are blessed, guys. You can see free water running everywhere. Oh, guys. Guys, so here we go. So this is the beauty of Nyabohanse village, guys. So we deliver the material and then we pack mine, guys. So in case you're new here, Nyabohanse village is the one famous village, guys. So bye. Well, guys, I wanna say bye to my village. Look, we are heading this way. Well, guys, bye. Oh guys, so stay tuned, more amazing videos coming. And today it's a special videos ever, guys. So you're waiting this, and today it's happened, my friend.
Guys,
Hey, you feel hungry?
no, I'm okay, guys. You know, we are heading to bring to drop material and then to carry another material to come back with it. So keep tuned, keep in touch, watch the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Yeah, and this and after watching this amazing video, go check me out, Itembe001. You know, guys. Yeah, I'm the director. I'm the one who directing her baby.
Always may I give you a shout out.
Yeah.
And keep working hard. You see how I'm struggling.
Yeah.
From the bush everywhere, man. Let's go. Okay, so this is the beauty of Africa. So guys, I wanna say keep look these videos until the end, guys. So you wanna see amazing vlog. Hey, that's a huge bumps, guys. Crazy one. Wow, guys, so here we go. Well, guys, so we are in Migori. So this one goes to Mihuru Bay. There's a place, there's a time I went to Mihuru Bay, guys, over here. Okay, here we go. I was refreshing my mind, guys. I was sleeping a little bit, and then I woke up. Full jacket here. This is alongside the road, guys. Wow. Nice, hey. Wow. So I was sleeping here like this because I'm so tired. It's a distance from my village up to where I'm going to pick my material, guys. So not a joke, guys. Okay. Called Haas petrol station over there. Then it's around 200 meters. We have Ruby's petrol station over here. This one. 200-meter petrol station. Oh guys, look, a nice villa here. This one over here. This is really nice. I hope, guys, we go. My friend is 10:009.
We are heading there, guys, you know. On the way heading there, you know. So me, you know, on the way heading there, I'm checking across the road. You can see people, they are selling marketing is going on. So me, I'm there checking them.
Guys, this is a college.
Msomi in Swahili, guys. Msomi in Swahili. In English,
Ahmed.
he's Mutich.
No, sorry.
Educated man. Mutich.
Guys, so we got to stop. And then we pay tax. Every 2 kilometers tax. Look even at this. Correct. This guy here. The tax. Just wait. Yeah, I'm not too lying things. You need tax. You are being paid.
Sawa.
every 2 kilometers tax. In our country, we had corruption, guys. Imagine. Tax goes up,
No, guys.
economic goes up. So which is which?
Life is hard here, guys.
Just
Yeah,
like
everywhere.
just
Even to
like-
buy bread,
imagine.
they cut there. They catch you there.
Alright.
Like that. So,
We have a nice hospital called Life Care, guys. I recommend this one here, that one here, guys. It's a clean hospital. There, guys. Let me show you this. That one here. That one. Right there.
life care.
Life Care. Yes. So we have a flyover here. What is guys? Flyover, guys. That one there. So the reason why he built a flyover there, most of the time students were get accident every day.
Because
Those-
this market is busy.
Yes, and it's a big town in our country. So
This is Migori, guys.
Mhm.
Migori town, you know. Busy town.
wow, and you must be very careful because of the copyright. Sometimes just show you. So you must go there. Big house. Yes. Market. Going up to Java. So take picture from like this one. That's a market there. Show you where I bought my Samsung phone. You know?
Then we go there. Banzi.
Banzi, yeah. So it's a roundabout. This one, roundabout. Oh, guys. So you know Banzi, it's a big supermarket here. When you bought like phone, like, even I recommend maybe the month of August I will buy my own laptop. So we come to Banzi here.
Yeah, it is where even me I bought this
Yes.
my new phone.
Yes, those guy doesn't have cornering, guys. So just over here, let me show you this one shop. This one, good bad sinners. That one, oh, and then imagine, I'm telling you, after 2 kilometers tax, 2 kilometers tax. Look even the family with this. Look even here. Let me show you this guy. This guy over here. Every 2 kilometers tax. Every 2 kilometers tax. You see? Every 2 kilometers tax. They are very, very high. Look at this man. Look like a police officer. And nothing else there. Look. Look, 2 kilometers tax. So guys, this is the place where we came to delivered some material, guys. Over here you can see my driver and all stuff, guys. Yeah, guys, look even other side. And imagine at the back, that is the school, guys. At my back there. So over here this is a swimming pool.
Yeah.
And
actually,
imagine it's a school.
this school is good, guys, for the kids, you know.
Wow.
And me, I admire it. Make the money. You know, there, children, they are playing where there is carpet, there is a swimming pool.
Imagine small kids like 4 years.
We have to work hard so that even our children can come to learn in this school, you know.
It's expensive.
It's too expensive, guys. When you see a school with a swimming pool, with a lot of buses. Yeah, guys, this is not cheap, and we are hustling.
And we have the ladies who take kids.
Hey, guys, even the place of kids to play, where they can go and enjoy.
Yes, over there. Came to deliver some material, guys. Imagine, this is a school. Imagine. Hey.
Oh, look at here, guys.
Yes, where kids are playing. So imagine this is a school. Golden Friend. Golden Friend. Look even the gate.
Golden Friend School.
Yeah, guys. And here we go. Oh, guys, maybe a school here. So I came here, on the right, to the balance stone, which I mean, this one here. This one here. Oh. And it's not the first time, guys. I was being here several months. I think the month of November. No, it's not November. The month of May to June, I think, over there. So I came to purchase some stone over here, but other side. So they drew some stones inside here, guys. Imagine, road, rock, hardcore. If you done geography, you already know, guys. Imagine. Look, these some stones, guys. This one. And this some soil. Red one, red soil. Wow. So it's look like a mining area. Even here, it's a rock. Here's a rock. Oh, guys. So they were being blessed, guys. Even go to other hill, guys. Look at. So I was being here the month of May, the end of May, I think so. And this is it, guys. Over here. Yeah. Unaogopa camera? Oh guys, so I'm heading this way, and I wanna show you again maybe where they excavate some stones, guys. It's a hill, guys. Look. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Ooh. I fall down, man. I'm telling you, it's a hill. Even my shoes goes down. So it's a hill. When you go down, it's a slope area. So that's the reason why I'm struggling, guys. My camera fall down and I fall down at the same time. So this is where they drew some stone from the ground. Oh guys, look at this whole stones here. Wow guys, a lot of stones over here guys, over here, and we have many of them inside. Even I can enter, guys. Look, these are stones. Imagine. Let's risk my life again. There's some stones here. Here, these are stones. Even these are stones, guys. These are stones. Look, these are stones. If you don't believe, guys, let me show you. You heard that sound? These are stones, guys. Look. Stones. Even this one here. Stones. And at the same time, guys, they are packing my balance stones down there, guys. So this that you see here, it will be cool down there. So this is what it is, guys. Wow. So look down here. Over here. So man, I feel like I'm tired, so I want to sit on the shed because down there people are packing, guys, for material. So wow, guys. Well guys, so we clear everything, so it's my time to leave and I need to check my material, guys. Just over here. Over here you see, guys. Wheelbarrow moja. Sasa tutafanyaje? Nani? Wewe. Bana, mimi siwezi rusha saa hii. From
ile gari nimechukua silinda yake ilikuwa mbaya. Haya. Ha? Amepita lakini karibu agonge huyu mtu bwana. Unajua mwenye bibi yako kwa na habari.
hiyo senda ya juu inamaliza. So nilikuwa natengeneza na fundi ameleta mjenga hapo ya kufungua, na nimeshapata hiyo ile alifungulia nije naye na sample amekataa. Sasa ndio mwenye gari amesema kama amekataa kesho niende, akikataa nitoe gari niletee mwingine nitolee.
Alright guys, so here I go and I've already picked my motorbike. So I'm waiting for material guys. At the far end of the bumps. Let's go this way. Yes. So guys, I'm keep waiting material. So the back and hey Joe, where are you? Yes guys. So I'm waiting materials and I think at my back because I pick up motorbike and I drive go back to the since morning. So since morning I don't take anything. Alright, let's go. So there is flashing fire over there. Imagine, and I'm feeling like I'm high. Serious. So since morning we don't take anything, even breakfast. So it's simply because I feel like I'm losing appetite and all stuff. But I'm going to look for the glucose. Yeah. So, here I go. That. So, guys, so let me know in the comment section what you think about these videos, guys. Kindly give a like, comment, and also share, guys. Here I go. Welcome to my village. I've already come back home, man. Well guys, it's an amazing and I want to see where they're gonna pour my material, guys, over here. Oh guys, so I'm back again, guys. So I want to see the progress and progress of my project over here. So let's see. Oh guys, I parked my motorbike here. So since morning I left my motorbike, so it's been a while. Imagine, like, I arrived from home around 9 a.m. in the morning. So I went there, I called him, and then we went to pick some sand for the maybe other people. But actually we deliver the sand to the special institution, and it's academic institution or a school another way. We drop there and then we pick mine. So guys, I think this week when maybe I want to complete my project from maybe putting everything slab, setting of blocks, plastering, iron sheet. So when I get to like $300, I can finish this toilet, upsetting, roofing, plastering, buying doors and all stuff. So $300 it can be maybe finish this toilet here. So roughly let's say $400, because you need for setting of blocks, and then you pay the mason, handman, you buying doors, sinker, things like chimney or pipe to remove the gas outside, tiles, doors, nails for roofing, all stuff, man. So it's slow by itself, but I'm working on slab, and I thank God. I want to say, God, thank you God, because you did it again, and I've already have a chance, or have opportunity to get the balance stone, guys, and I keep praying. So since I was talking about this balance stone, it's less than around 5 days here, and I've already get, and I want to say thank you a million for the supporters, for the donors who promote my project, who uplift me to be other position. I want to say thank you so much. And for those who are watching my videos, thank you so much. My fan outside there, thank you so much. Thank you a million. So that's only my appreciation I want to say from my bottom of my heart, guys. So as I waiting my material to be arrived home, so I was with that guy, but he will stop some minutes at Nyabohans, and then I pick my motorbike. So I feel like, because I feel like I lose appetite, I want to take maybe some fruits, maybe like pineapple, papaya, maybe mango, oranges. Oh guys, so to regain maybe my appetite, guys. Wow. So this one, maybe this week I wanna kill it, guys. So I had some tippers are coming from the far end, and I'm just over here. We approach dry season, guys. Imagine the time I was digging the toilet here, these maize were not dried, but right now we're being dried, guys. Wow. Even at my neighbor's side. So imagine how our land reach, guys. From here, this is our post or our mark point, up to other side. Well, guys, so let's see. After maybe putting everything here, there is a time I will decide to make cleanness here, to squeeze that sand away, far away, and then hey man, these toilets are so big. Look guys, I'm trying to show you. Look, from here up to there, it's around 7 feet. Yeah, imagine, it's so big, man. Up to this point, going to that way, guys, it's so big. But in God we trust. There's a time I was felt like I wanna run out of my project, but there's something keep pushing me. Don't run out of your project. And some audience outside there, they wanna say, hello baby, keep pushing yourself. One day you wanna finish your toilet. And I wanna say, oh man, oh my God, I have already done it for the foundation, and then I've already done everything. So, and the moment, guys, to be honest, if you said, hello baby, do this, me, I'm just always there. I do what you wanna told me to do. Oh guys, so I see the tipper is coming, guys. So let's see. It's my motorbike over here. Oh guys, wow. Hey. Wow. So there's my tip over here. I'm still coming, guys. So let's see. Well, so that is the tipper. It's coming, guys. The motorbike over here. This is where I'm calling home, guys. But one day I will change this home to be look maybe like a palace. Wow, guys. So I'm waiting the tipper, and it's coming from the far end, guys. Wow. It's coming from the far end. It's coming from the far end, guys. Right there. Wow. And this is where I'm calling home, man. This is my grandma home. Oh, guys. That's my material, guys. And I'm always thank God, guys. First material arrived home over here. Wow. So technically I wanna telling him where they wanna be pour these materials. Over here. Oh guys. Hayo. Aenda hivi juu barabara inapitaga hapa. This is my mom, guys. Hi. Tiga tora hai. Mwambie aende mbele afu imwagi hapa. Hapa. Hapo na home. Haya, mwambie arudi nyuma. Yes, guys. Alright. So that's my surprise. That's my material, guys. Over here. So let's see. And then boom. Let me show you, guys, to make work easy. Well, guys, so I need to take the money and pay him, guys. So over here there's the maize corn. Imagine how this maize corn over here, But it's okay, guys. So let me enter my house, man. Since morning, it's been a while, and even I didn't make any cleanness over here. Oh, guys. Oh, so look, it's very dirty, but it's because of the time. I'll make cleanness here, guys. It's not a big issue, guys. So in case you're new here, guys, welcome to my house, guys. My village house. Maybe one day I would made this house to be look a bulletproof outside. Oh, guys, this is where I'm living. I'm doing everything. Wow, look at that. So I wanna say bye. So they have already delivered my material, guys. Bye, man. All right. So guys, you see, this is the material, and I think it's very expensive. This one over here. Oh, guys. So thank you so much, and I hope you will enjoy this video for today. Unaita mama? Baba napirikiruan. Nyeboni? Apa kungu pada aku kupirikiran? Yes, so maybe when my time allowed, I could purchase small material for my mama dream house if I can. If I don't, maybe to afford, just maybe it's the end of the story. But I thank God everything has its own time. So when I get the money, if I can, I could pour a lot of material here for my mama dream house. Maybe it's a bungalow, small bungalow. So it's depend the size and the place, and also the map all planned for my mama house one day. So keep pray for me, so it will happen. So it's step by step, but the important thing to do is to build the toilet and all stuff, you know, guys. So I want to end this video here by saying thank you so much, guys, and may God bless you guys. Bye, guys.